Channel-Mekayla back with another banger video.
Why yellow drop the beat?
As y'all can see in the thumbnail, we doing seafood mukbang. Everybody got their shirt. My mom on the side. Y'all can't see her because she's here, but y'all gonna hear her talking, and I'm gonna let them introduce themselves.
I'm Kayla. Y'all right.
I'm Jazzy.
You're right. I'll pop their channels up.
And Fat Boy over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop their channels up on the screen, even though they don't post.
Yeah, y'all. So we about to start eating.
Right. We just gonna start eating. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we just gonna start eating. All right. Oh, we also got some it's got shrimp in it. It got shrimp in it though.
Shrimp scampi.
Oh, what the hell is that? You might as well just say.
It's like
shrimp
butter
Alfredo.
sauce. It has like butter sauce. Alfredo has Alfredo
Ain't
sauce.
no plate, son.
Right, I was just thinking about that.
Right, ain't
You
getting no
better
plate.
right.
just lean over here and get some out the thingy.
Oh, that's ghetto as hell.
It's seafood.
Right.
Cause none of us know how to do it.
I know.
Well, I'm talking. Let niggas now. He just make it better.
It just make it better.
Y'all have technical.
Cause I don't think it's that hard to boil.
Oh, her.
Shrimp.
She really is.
These damn potatoes good though. Cause last time we had potatoes, it really didn't taste weird. I mean, it really didn't taste right. It tastes weird.
I'm far away from the damn
The camera.
table.
I'm sorry. These potatoes and sauce though. You should
That egg
get it
chip.
You a Fat Boy. I'm Big Dog. I know how to do this.
But you reaching over me.
You sound like them people. Then they mean and Sheena and them.
Yeah.
They be telling their kids not to lean over them because it's disrespectful. We don't care.
Not the boat.
We don't care.
Damn, you all over here.
Because you said something, so I had to be smart.
It's good, Fat Boy? You ain't even start yet.
Ain't about to
crazy.
probably like
You
that,
crazy.
man. Right. Last time we was talking about no, see, it's better when Trey in the video with us. We need Mimir in the video with us.
Remember, loud.
I don't even know why we kept that pan.
Jazzy, remember last time
my
flying
shell
on
back in the bag.
I ain't gonna thank
was good.
I can't. We ain't got whole crab this time because them shit is hard to eat. To me.
That's too much work.
Right. I don't even know. Why you looking over here?
Because
What?
I just use it for it. I think.
I said this before.
It's right here in my bag. I didn't see it till now.
You put your mouth on it?
No.
No. We ain't got hurt.
I don't know what
Right.
Kayla's mouth been at. She,
Think about, I be in this house.
We be home. How?
I don't know.
Right,
You
don't
never
know
know. She go to Nana house. She went to Nana house.
Girl,
and walked in the streets.
I don't be
I
walking
don't
those
know where
streets.
she went to. She probably met up with somebody.
Girl, don't nobody live in Glass, brother. I
Or
know.
like in these streets.
I said walking the streets
Oh.
of Glassboro. I ain't say in these streets. Kayla ain't got no life down here in Pittsgrove.
What you trying to say?
We don't go nowhere. Neither one of us go anywhere in
Ain't nowhere to
Pittsgrove.
go in Pittsburgh.
Yeah, that's why we need to leave. Right. That's why we need to move.
That's why we need to make it big on YouTube.
No, me, because y'all don't fuck me.
Who don't?
We make the
Yeah,
video.
Who don't?
We get in the video.
My subscribers love me.
sometimes you don't be on my videos all the time. Especially you. You're not even in the video. They can't even see you.
They see my hands. See?
Girl, I be on your
They-
videos all the time.
You. But I'm talking about mommy.
Oh,
Kayla
snap.
be the only one in this
Yeah,
house that be
that
in my
was
videos.
good.
Ew, y'all ain't see that.
I can.
Kayla been
No, I
in all
told
my
myself I don't want
videos.
no onion.
They nasty. Onions
No,
nasty.
they're
I don't
not.
know onions.
They're good.
I need to make that
I
flavor.
hear.
Kayla the only one in the house that be in my videos.
I be in them sometimes.
Should be upstairs.
She in most of all my videos on my channel. When we doing vlogs, Kayla in there.
You want
Kayla
your
loud.
son?
It's Kayla, Yazzie, Alani. They always on my channel. Ariana was on my channel once.
Well,
Twice.
yeah, as you see this video, she gonna be mad with us.
Yes. With Boo Boo, because she decided to do this. And Kayla.
No.
Say who
Well,
bought the
it's
shit.
Jazzy's birthday, so we got to do something.
It's not Jazzie's birthday.
Well,
Y'all
she has to
gonna
work, so
At KFC.
We gonna be at
So-
KFC working. No, we not gonna be there all day. We only go to work.
But who's going on? When we come home, we want to go home and sleep.
You gonna go to sleep on your birthday?
Yeah, all right.
You ain't gonna have no
old.
birthday cake or nothing?
Yeah,
Girl,
cake,
we had all
baby,
that
cupcake.
cake.
Listen, I want to feel special on
Dude,
my
I'm
birthday.
tempted. What?
I know I'm sure it's popping.
Nigga, I put a lot of Old Bay on this.
I feel
Kinda
special when
salty.
people say happy
Good though.
Not mine. I ain't put that much in mine.
Mm.
Damn. She all like,
That's corn smack. It's my favorite though.
shut up.
You guys come out eating this corn flying out my mouth.
Trey had this video funny. Like we was talking about the dude from the what was his name? We was talking about
Scary
somebody
movie?
when yeah, we put his hand inside the little
Oh my god, that's so
thing.
creepy. Hey.
Dips, my germs. Yeah, that shit nasty.
I was trying to watch the haunted house.
You a fucking Annabelle.
Yeah, I'm like, not Annabelle.
You was slapping her with the thing.
I was like, not Annabelle. And he gonna try to hide her when the girlfriend come home.
Called her a home
Oh, like,
wrecker.
don't say nothing.
He called her a home wrecker. And she kept coming back.
How you threw the ghost? No,
It wasn't no ghost, it was a doll. What you mean a ghost? It wasn't even real.
No, I was thinking about
He had her legs all spread
when
open.
the ghost was fucking the girl.
Annabelle legs all over.
And she got all attached to him.
You
This
hear
is why
me?
you don't mess with them. The ghost is mad as hell. He slept with her.
You hear me? Annabelle legs is all open. He had her legs all wide open. Like, what is
How?
Annabelle
She's
doing?
not even that big.
Dog.
She's like a little baby. It's like sleeping with a baby.
I don't know.
This video ain't for kids.
No.
You guys are gonna be watching this.
Hell yeah.
Sorry, somebody liquor
No.
I have corn stuck in my teeth.
I thought you said porn.
They're already crooked.
I ain't gonna say nothing about that.
It sounded like you said something about porn. Mom and Papa are gonna be watching it.
You said Papa can't get nothing stuck in his teeth.
No. What is wrong with you?
You thought something fell on you, huh?
Ain't nothing on you, girl.
Right. Thought it was.
Shut the hell up.
Right.
Something in my ear, bro.
I ain't nothing right there.
It was wet.
Somebody
Because
spit in your ear.
yeah, because I kept whistling.
Oh.
I thought it was going to, it was hitting her in the face. She wasn't saying it.
Wait. She said I didn't know it was hitting you in the face.
It was squirting over there.
No.
Y'all is nasty. Ew. You sound like a grown man.
You look like you're I'm there.
Alright, stop trying to play me now.
Papa, what you doing over there?
Looking at you.
Quiet eating his food. Gravity Falls. What? I don't know what fact we're talking about.
He watching. What you on the phone?
Oh, he on his phone watching.
Right. Now
You need to get him
I
a
can.
phone.
He do. I was gonna give him my iPhone, my pink one. I just gotta go get it fixed. The screen fixed.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh. Y'all, nigga, I don't know why I wore
Tear
that
it
shit.
up. I told her not to wear it.
Because I'm a dirty another outfit.
You supposed to, you ain't got to. You should have put
Two
like
outfits
another
in one
shirt,
day?
a different shirt, like a bed
My
shirt.
pants
or something.
even dirty. A bed
A
shirt.
shirt that you don't wear outside.
I could wash it. Shit.
I forgot I had
I
crab.
could make a new one. This shirt was $1. And I
Crab
just
leg?
made
You
it.
can eat everything over the crab leg.
I forgot it was something in here.
Yo,
You
give
need
me the cracker.
Nope.
Give me the
I
cracker.
never want-
Mine
Can I get the cracker?
We don't have no crackers.
I ain't talking about white people.
Oh, no, you said
white people.
I'm talking
we gotta
about.
cut that out.
No, last video we was definitely talking about that.
Professionally, I said Caucasians.
Oh, professionally, we ain't talking about the opposite race. We're talking about actual crackers that you eat, nigga. I'm just going.
Oh, you potatoes.
It's gonna be a Karen on your thing.
I don't give a f- kiss my. I'm gonna blink all this out.
An onion.
That's good.
An onion?
No,
Cause you know how mama.
that's off of them, penis.
Y'all know how.
Dang, it fell apart.
Y'all know how your grandparents.
How
is.
you open your mouth before it came in? She was like,
Mom, you feel like Trey.
what?
All in my mouth.
Cause she was opening it before
Yo,
her mouth.
Trey was in this joint cracking up the whole time. Then he was smacking on his food.
Crunching on
Not
that.
y'all reminiscing about Trey.
Nerd, cause Trey funny as hell. He gonna be mad.
I think I
Mama
had
did
too
it.
much sauce on my
Mukbang.
mouth when I tried to drink that juice. It
You
tastes
see
like,
my creation.
it tastes like,
She gonna go put a shrimp inside the egg.
I'm mad that she put
And the
the
camera
shit-
can really see Jazzy as clear as day. Like she closer to the camera than any of us.
She in here now.
Last time she was.
Yeah, I ain't gonna eat that.
Barely.
Barely.
And then she farted, you remember?
And Kevin gonna tell me to play it in slow motion and you can hear it.
Ugh.
Yeah.
She farted in the camera. Well, she was on the side and she said she had it. She was like, Kayla said, you hear that? Everybody started crying.
This spaghetti stuff is good.
That tastes weird when I drunk that juice.
Bro, I could never crack open a crab.
I got that stuff on my lips.
Look, I can't even get it all out.
Who has that stuff on the lip?
Shut up.
She got.
Anyway, y'all.
Anyways, Kayla's ugly. My mom
Oh,
definitely ugly. Jazzy needs us.
girl, please.
What? You didn't even know what I was gonna say.
It's about to be. I'm about to say. Yeah, my mama don't watch mine. What's it happening?
All right, because you know mama gonna cuss you out. You start cussing.
I'm gonna go cuss. That girl, please.
Yeah, okay. Shane, you're tonight.
I get Uncle Breno.
Oh,
So,
I'm in the hospital.
yeah. But she's still gonna watch it.
Send
You know she
prayers to
bored.
her mama.
Mm.
Anyways,
Y'all, this is so good. We don't know when we do a mukbang. We really don't be talking about nothing but eating.
Smack
alright,
it.
so you remember Daddy rolled hot dog rolled across the front?
He gonna mess it.
that's why I moved that cord just now, because he almost tripped on it. He almost tripped on the broom in the kitchen.
Damn, y'all.
All right, let's
Tell
talk
me
about my
his
husband.
business.
I had
Let's
to
talk
move
about my
it.
husband.
I had to move it.
He said, "Damn, why y'all just want to talk about me?"
Remember I kept constantly falling down the steps?
Oh my God.
Yo,
She-
and that one day,
she
fell
fell
in
asleep
stuff like
3
5 times. Like, damn. And she slipped over the same thing. I said it wrong. Shut up, bitch.
What is that?
She slipped over a slide.
Here's some leaves.
Mom, what you mean?
You a basil or something?
Do we own basil?
What
We
is
don't
that?
own
Here we
basil.
go.
That's probably that season. You know the season we have.
Yeah, look, it's in the noodles, dummy.
Yeah, that's the noodles.
Duh.
You got noodles?
Yeah, shut up. don't be trying to blame me, Bill. Shut up, y'all.
She ugly.
She just glow.
They can't even see my new earrings. I can't even see them from over
Y'all want
here.
to see my tattoo?
She ain't
Oh, it
got
tastes
none.
better. I must have had from that. I must have had some of that sauce, all that sauce caked up on it. When I drunk that, it tastes like that sauce.
I'm buying my own tattoo.
Go ahead, get you one.
Try drinking juice and it tastes funny.
It's just good, but it's like...
When you taste your juice, it tastes funny, right? Because you took that, you ate that potato and it tastes funny. You got all that seasoning on it. I'm like, why am I juicing? Huh?
You know, they allowed to be a little medium rare.
Oh yeah, and we got some burgers, some
Yeah,
cheeseburgers.
you can eat
You remember?
medium rare. Yeah,
Mini
medium rare
burgers.
is good.
You remember at the
They wanted
that
some
little barbecue
burgers
we
and
had
seafood
around the
boil.
corner,
I didn't know what
Jazzy?
the hell.
There was a little barbecue around the
Well,
corner. They had medium rare burger.
Andrew had to eat, so.
I said these
Yeah,
things
Andrew don't eat seafood, so he had burgers.
sliders.
Sliders. It's
Oh my
still
God,
little
remember
tiny
we
burgers
I used
that
to
they
always
eat
go to
too.
Denny's and get them sliders.
I know. And Andrew used to always get the nachos.
And
Damn, I started eating on another corn already. I started eating this one.
times.
Oh.
It's gonna be good.
I miss Denny.
Good
I'm not them talking about Raisin Denny now.
No fucking.
I'm gonna go to Cane's.
Right.
Raisin Cane's, that's good.
I'm gonna go to
Oh,
In-N-Out.
my bad.
I couldn't even go to Tennessee, y'all. Let's talk about that.
Right. Oh, yeah, we did say that. And
Let's
I
talk
remember
about
we
how
said
Kayla
Kayla was
thought
going to
she was going
Tennessee in the
to
last
Tennessee.
video.
Well, she had technical
Listening.
difficulties.
We gonna go. We gonna go.
She said she promised she gonna get her down there.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
gonna
but
go
she
to
was
Tennessee.
mad because she wanted you to come. Come down there first. She's mad. Shut up. She wants you to come down there.
She wanted her to come.
Because she was mad.
Yo, if
She
y'all
was
ever
She
watch-
was upset because she really wanted you to come.
Omarion Entourage,
She wanted to
he
take
was
you
like,
shopping.
he said, I'm coming. He said,
But she
you've
said
been
she wanna
coming
help
for an
get you
hour.
stuff.
That shit funny. Like, that's like, nobody looking at that. That shit sound nasty.
What?
Every time I watch that video, that Entourage video by Omarion,
Why can't
he was like, he said, come on, oh. He said, you taking too long. He said, I'm coming. He said, you've been coming for an hour. I'm like, yeah, that nigga
I need to
gay.
give me some clothes for school.
Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to say gay, y'all.
Right, they gonna cancel you.
Cause they gonna think you
They
talking.
canceled
take
the
that
baby about that HIV stuff.
She gonna come that out.
They canceled
I mean, she
the
gonna come
baby.
that out.
What?
She will come
She gonna
out.
cut that out.
They canceling.
All right, yeah, shush.
Oh, we should do like you know y'all know Zoe, like Zoe.
I support the game.
It's something
No,
in
you
my
know Zoe?
eyeball.
My sister game.
You know Zoe. You know Zoe.
No offense.
You know Zoe.
Who's Zoe?
Zoe, the gay dude.
Yes,
Zoe,
we know.
the one that we talk having the messy Mondays.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, I hate him, bro. I'm not even.
Why? I be watching it. He
Not because
funny.
he gay. No, because he be all up in people's business, and when they got something, when they say something about him being in their business, he be like,
Nigga!
You put it on the internet for everybody to
Right, that's what I'm
but
saying.
still. No, but
How
that
you
he
gonna
talk
get mad
about.
with him?
Well, that ain't done.
It's already on the internet.
You
He
talking
just
about that
he just
The burger?
put his side to it. His thoughts, his opinion
See,
on
I
it.
said that.
But you can eat medium rare burgers. You
Yeah,
can.
man.
But she ain't
You
finna
want
eat.
well
You can eat
done?
medium rare. You can eat sausage like that, but you burgers you can.
But she ain't gonna eat it.
Yes, I am. I'm about to eat that.
You can eat medium rare.
Yes, you can.
Where's
That's how people get their burgers.
Medium
They
rare.
ask
That's
you
why
at
they
the
ask you
store.
medium rare or
Or well
rare
done.
or you want them well done.
Well done. I like
You
mine.
Mama
well
like
done.
hers all the way cooked, no pink.
Well, microwave it.
If Mama
More.
see a little pink, she's sitting in the back.
Right. No, right? If it's a little cold, she's sitting there too.
I like a little
Ooh,
pink.
my bad, Mama. We talking like she ain't gonna watch this because she really is. She does. Every time she see me, be like, oh, you need to stop all that.
That was
cussing.
mommy on the end talking about something.
Talking about
I'm about to microwave that. That ain't done.
Yeah, Mama.
But you
talking
can no,
about
but you can eat it like that. You
Like-
can.
these
It's
eggs
not-
smack
You can eat it like that. But, sausage you can't eat like that. Burgers you can eat them rare, medium rare.
But you finna microwave it though.
You damn right.
When I break this on weird.
I heard that before. Nobody was paying attention to you or listening to you at that moment.
That's just one.
I gotta
These
tell
little
them, 'cause I don't
pineapple
think they know
jugs
they
got
eat
juice
like
in it.
that.
I think we need to turn this brightness
Ain't
down
got-
because we a little too bright.
Still gonna mess it up.
Who gonna mess it up, you? You can eat it like that. You won't get sick because it's a. You can.
Y'all should have opened them straws and let me use a straw.
I'm not going. You better eat it. You can eat it like that.
What the hell
Burgers
I
you
do
can
with
eat
me
like
wanting a straw? Fat boy, it's a Dad, Fat boy,
What is he doing up there?
Damn, he ever turn around his mouth full.
that. What you
You
now?
gonna choke on that
Fat boy
egg. You
eating
better-
seafood with us too, but he on the other side. Y'all know he don't be in
My
videos.
hair looks
Right.
Cause Fat boy antisocial.
I am too, but
He don't like
You don't like to be on camera.
right,
Yeah.
that doesn't mean you don't like to be on camera. That means that you don't like being around a lot of people, talking to
right.
people.
He don't like talking.
Me either, but hey.
But
But that's
we-
to other people. Like
Right, we in
Because
here
he
by
look like
ourselves.
Danny
It's
Green.
us. With all this stuff in front of us.
who
He
Danny
was
Green?
like
I can't film videos. I can't film videos of people
Baby
that's
Danny?
not filming the
Nah,
video
not Baby
with
Danny.
me.
Not
So if
Baby
they
Danny.
sitting in front of me
Danny
watching
Danny.
me film a video, I can't film a video because
Can
that's
I-
creepy and
can
you
I get
just
this?
watching me film a
Can I
video.
get the cracker?
I don't like
Mom,
people.
the cracker's
What?
right there in front of you.
Oh,
you
thanks.
just wanted to say cracker.
No.
If you want to say cracker, just
Just
say
say
it.
Y'all stupid. But like I was saying,
I don't even know how to eat this
like,
stuff,
can you do
bro.
that, y'all? Can you film a
How
video
you-
with
how
somebody
you
watching
open
you?
them? What you order them like this?
Like that's why I don't like filming public
You
videos.
know how to
Like
eat
I
the
don't like
crab.
I don't
vlogging.
eat crab
She don't
like
even know
that.
how to eat the crab. How you do this?
I
You
don't
supposed to crack it. You supposed to open it, like open the leg, and then eat all the meat inside of it.
I know that.
Open it. Like take that piece off.
Take this off.
Yeah, like crack it off.
She don't even know how to eat
Oh,
it.
let's eat right there.
Use the crack. Now use the cracker and crack the shell. I usually use it in my hand. But
We should have got crawfish.
No. He was
Yeah.
not, he allergic to him. He was not making
we need to get Papa to make us some crawfish. I have a crawfish.
How do you open this?
Can you turn the brightness
Would you
down?
crack it? I don't eat crabs, y'all.
So open these crabs.
Like that, so. My kids are laughing at me because I don't
Mom, I just told you how to
crab
do it.
in this. Oh, here it is.
In the legs. In the
Jordan was
legs.
over there struggling shit, eat the crab the whole time because she didn't know how to eat
That
it.
big one, the full crab. I didn't know how to eat it either, but I did know how to eat it. But
Jordan
it
was
took
over there
forever.
quiet, didn't ask somebody to help her.
How she asked nobody to help her whole video on how to open the crab.
She said, you know how when somebody focuses on they be like that. Jordan.
Jordan was just sitting there confused, bruh. Like you can go back to the last video. I'm gonna play it in this behind us.
It ain't open.
But
Mom,
Jordan was
how you trying
like
to crack that little thing?
It's meat in
behind
there.
us. I'm gonna see if
Crack
I
it
can
with
play
your
that part of the
hand.
video.
I
behind
can't. I got nails on.
us. What? It should be easier with your nails
Oh,
on.
this one.
I normally crack it with my teeth, but I don't want to lose my teeth like Papa.
I'm like me. I ain't cracking shit with my teeth. Crack that shit. It won't have none of all of them
She
before.
said Papa tooth hanging by a thread.
I did not
I
say
did not
that.
Say that shit.
Right, what did you get on my Papa, bro?
That's you.
Come on, Kelly, get the meat
Look,
out
it
of
came
there. Oh,
out.
never mind, I got
It
it.
came out. You should really just have to crack it open a little bit and pull
She
it out.
acting like Jordan.
I'm gonna have to wash my clothes. I can't wear these tomorrow.
Where you going tomorrow?
I can't. Not tomorrow. Not that I wear all my clothes all the time like that. But.
Girl, now there ain't nobody worried about what you wear. They don't even see
Yo,
you.
I really opened this shit in there. Where's the meat?
Yo.
Where's the meat?
Right here. Arby's where we got the beef.
You said it wrong.
He said
We had the
You
meat.
said it wrong.
I don't give a fuck.
You got your meat time, huh?
Fabio got the meat.
Whoa. She dying.
choking.
Like, it took me 30 minutes, y'all, to get this meat out of this damn crab.
Oh my god. She's slow. She can't eat.
I finally got the meat to the crab.
Meat to the crab. She finally got the meat to the crab.
Bro, is it a meat
Look.
She dropping all the meat. I gotta pee.
What is that, meat
All that laughing you doing over there.
I'm about to give up.
My hand's dirty.
I'm about to just eat the food, not the crab.
Mom! It's not that hard.
I'm about to get a crab to kill.
You can see. Ate all that, you drunk all that other juice. Mouth her burner that
It ain't
Oh,
burning. I'm
babe.
just parched. This dry egg.
hot sauce and
Oh, I didn't get my spaghetti.
Jazzy.
I think. Hold on.
she don't know how to open them. Give me, she really struggling
Yeah.
to open up crab legs. Like the crab legs should be easy.
Yeah, girl.
If I drop
all
it
of
in
her
her
juice,
juice.
she gonna be mad as hell. She have crab juice.
It probably tastes good, Kayla.
Hell no.
Oh,
that
my.
shit.
How y'all
No,
know?
that's too much work.
It's not too much work.
I got
It's
these
just-
nails on. It's too much
I'm
work.
getting a bit full.
Look at that, easy. Boom.
Now
All y'all do is bend it like that.
Shit, all that meat hanging out.
Yeah.
And it took me 30 minutes to get
This
some
the one
crushed
you
eggs.
gave me.
She know how to
She
crush
said,
these
look at
meat.
that. Look at all that meat hanging
Give me
out.
the thing.
Bro,
All you gotta do is go like this.
I'm getting full.
You just gotta get your hands dirty a little bit.
I don't like to get my hands dirty.
Well, you get that mouth dirty.
ew.
No, Nye does.
I'm sticking you.
Obviously.
First of all.
Uncle Bear don't even know what that is.
Yeah, you never know. Uncle Barry, we talking about a lot of things.
Let me tell you
He
about
said he had a girlfriend.
I took Uncle Barry to the doctor the other day, right? After that. Uncle Barry.
He gonna
And the
watch
lady
video.
said,
He gonna watch the video.
you know how you get your blood pressure? Took in. The lady told me, and they kept saying error. I was like, oh my God.
Why
They kept saying error. And so I was like, Uncle Barry, you gotta relax your arm. Because that's why I keep doing that, because you all tensed up. You gotta relax your arm. The lady asked him to relax. Yeah, you gotta relax your. She can put it back on there. We gotta relax your arm. Uncle Barry, she said, relax your arm. You know how you do it like this. Uncle Barry said, I said, that's your neck. And she said, relax your arm. She said, oh, I guess he's not gonna relax his arm. I was crying. I was in the behind the mask. I was cracking up. I had pop-up in tears in the car.
Mommy coming. She all that came from the crab we just got from her.
I was surprised you didn't say he was talking to Lady ears off.
We were talking mine though.
Yeah, Kim.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna see that house in Burlington. I'm like, that house.
He
Like,
always talking about that tree he grew.
what's
He
that?
grew.
And what's the name?
He said,
No.
I've been growing that tree for
It's
30
in
years.
Mildred's.
What's that?
Mama said he planted a tree in Mildred's backyard, I think. And it's in Mildred's
They
backyard.
talking about that tree.
Is it still there?
Yeah.
Old as he is, huh?
Yeah, she said it's still there.
He said he grew up when he was 17.
He's old as hell because Uncle Barry like 60, or 70 or some shit like that.
Uncle Barry.
Uncle Barry old.
All this,
Uncle Barry older than my mom.
everything you could be doing with your life, and he chose to be growing trees at 17 years old.
Could have been out partying with his friends. Yeah, he
He a virgin?
Yeah.
gotta
He a virgin?
Yeah.
Ooh, I gotta pee. I gotta stop.
Yo,
I can't eat this off there like that. I need a knife.
you need a knife.
To eat the corn.
I
What?
can't.
What you mean?
What?
Wait, I'm
saying,
confused.
but-
I'm
She
lost.
said she need a knife to eat her corn.
I can't figure it out.
I hear you. I was like, what?
They had
Hey,
it.
we'll
Yeah,
get
but
it.
it was juice right here.
They had
It was
her.
juice.
Look at me knife.
I gotta stop laughing. I'm getting full every time I laugh. Oh my head.
Don't be trying to play me out.
I'm full.
Or Jazzy, give me a knife.
Full now.
That would give her.
Got a
in
lot
the
of
kitchen.
shrimp in
It's
here.
in that jar.
Y'all
Grab
want-
get it.
He can't
What?
because
Y'all
he's gonna
want
go buy
some?
the thing.
Go buy the thing. She can cut it
I ain't
off.
gonna lie, y'all. It probably enough
Just
to
give me
feed
a
this
knife.
whole channel. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, my bad.
Don't roll your eyes at me.
Wait, what you need a knife for?
What
You
you-
can't. You can't bite it with your knife.
I can, but I don't.
I was trying to ask her what she needed a knife for.
She gonna keep doing it.
She said soccer.
Y'all gotta got jokes. It's all good.
Oh man,
I can, but I don't want to take my chances.
What? What's
I
wrong
can
with
do
you?
it.
How saw you eating corn before?
Not on the cob. I did eat it before.
Yeah, I was about to say, because Kayla over here got jokes and shit.
No, I do, because you keep asking me.
I keep forgetting.
Did you gotta say hello?
I'm gonna yell it.
She gonna make me choke.
Ooh, this sauce, that shit.
I'm full. I'm done eating.
This sauce got thick as hell.
Huh?
That's got cold problem. Just being smart as hell.
Yeah, I cut my finger on the knife my mom used to cut her corn off the cob.
I ain't a little hag.
You can't even see you.
Oh well.
So they don't know why. We're not gonna tell you why she cut the corn off the cob, but y'all know why she cut the corn off the cob.
Because I don't eat nothing off the cob.
But she, never mind.
She got cobwebs. Them knives ain't no joke.
They
Shit, sure.
I
Hell
put my
yeah.
finger right here.
You
look.
shouldn't be using them.
I was using it.
You see how in this corn? You see how it's coming off like that?
It's not supposed to be. You're biting it off.
I don't bite. You're not supposed to bite. You're not supposed to bite. The
You
cob.
have to bite.
Alright, y'all.
They had
I'm about to
they
end
had
it.
their first argument on the phone. Fat Boy and
I know you
Savannah.
ain't just fucking just cut
They
me
had
off.
their first argument on.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. Because Kelly keep talking over me. Alright, if y'all like this video, comment down below. Like this video. Subscribe. Go subscribe to Mekayla LASHA'E. And what the hell you channel again?
I don't got
Jazzy
a channel.
Vlog. She got a
Jazzy-
channel. She got a channel. Go watch some ugly videos. She
don't got no-
posts.
She only got an intro.
Right.
Video.
Yeah, in that video you and Jordan did, remember?
Oh, girl, I believe that.
Alright, I deleted that. Wasn't a box.
Bro, I'm gonna start doing it. YouTube.
I deleted that one. I think I did.
And also, Jalen and Mira are going to be
'Cause you
starting the channel
understand.
too. Didn't vlog at my last video. I said I was gonna vlog Jazzy's graduation.
Monty asked
party.
me, did you do a video on it?
No, I didn't vlog that. I did tell you I was gonna vlog that, but the whole day was crazy and I forgot.
Well,
And then I never. I picked up the camera when I was setting up. I had the camera, but then, you know. All right, don't just like, comment, and subscribe. And we out.